Today we'll be telling you about two heart procedures that you can see on specimens here in the anatomy lab. One is a heart bypass surgery, and the second is a heart that's been fit with a pacemaker. But before we get started, we'll give you a brief overview of the heart. The heart is split into 4 chambers. On the top, we have our atria, one here, and the other one is deep in there, and 2 ventricles, this portion of the heart right here. Something that's also important for you to understand is the different layers of the heart. Here we've got this covering over the heart. It's the fibrous pericardium. Then when we reflect that back, here we have the parietal pericardium. The layer directly on the heart is called the visceral pericardium, or the epicardium. Now when we open the heart up, we can see the muscle layer of the heart, the myocardium. Myo means muscle. And then the next layer in is the endocardium. It's this shiny stuff inside the heart. It's myocardium that's been wrapped in endocardium right there. The heartbeat is controlled by electrical impulses. The atria contract first when an electrical signal starts in the SA node. Then that electrical impulse travels down the interventricular septum, and then the ventricles contract. So the atria contract first, then the ventricles. Sometimes the rhythm of the heart gets messed up. Either it's beating too fast, too slow, or the rhythm's off. That's called an arrhythmia. And when that happens, doctors will often put a pacemaker into the heart to control the heartbeat. So this is an electrical lead going into the subclavian vein, and if we follow it here, you can see it going through the right atria and then embedding into the myocardium of the right ventricle.
Coronary arteries are seen throughout the heart, emerging from the ascending aorta. Here we see the ascending aorta, and here would be a coronary artery here. Another example would be a coronary artery here. On this heart, it's a little bit harder to see the ascending aorta. It's been cut, but we would see coronary arteries right here and right here. Coronary arteries supply the heart with oxygen-rich blood. Coronary artery bypass grafting is one treatment for coronary heart disease. During coronary artery bypass grafting, a healthy artery or vein, most commonly the great saphenous vein, as you can see here, is connected or grafted to the blocked coronary artery. The grafted artery or vein bypasses or goes around the blocked portion of the coronary artery. This creates a new path for oxygen-rich blood to flow to the heart muscle. Surgeons can bypass multiple coronary arteries during one surgery. As you can see here, this would be considered a double bypass.